Hi, in this video we're going to explore how to set up a Checkpoint Infinity portal to technically administer your Checkpoint products. Head over to portal.checkpoint.com, scroll to the bottom and select Don't have an account, register here. Give the name of your business and organisation, a few details about yourself as a technical administrator, select the data residency that suits your needs, a few details about your organisation such as industry, accept our terms and conditions and click next. If you now head over to your emails, you'll be greeted with a welcome email. Find the link and click to activate your account. Provide passwords. Then log in with your email and new password. Congratulations, you have now logged into the Checkpoint Infinity portal. From here, you can try any of our products. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.